Hello there, my name is Tom and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we're gonna talk not about Bitcoin, we're gonna talk about whether you should actually start being worried about things like Solana and ADA and all the actual altcoins that you have in your portfolio and you're hoping to see 100x on. So this is what is going to be very important stuff when it comes to the bill of Loomis and what's going on with the chairman of SEC and that they're fighting over it and what could come out of it. And this is going to be like an addition video to one of the previous videos that I've done on the crypto bill that we're currently seeing. So if you're into this kind of stuff and you have some altcoins, then you really want to watch this video from the beginning and until the end. And as always, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so that you're always notified when I make a new upload, because you have to watch these from the beginning and until the end and as soon as they come out. So, and also down in the description of this video, there is a link to my free Telegram channel so that you can join it. There is a big trading community and we oftentimes discuss cool trades and it's free. So join us there right now. And without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. So just real quick, in Bitcoin, there really isn't that very much interesting, but something huge is coming. So we are gonna see a very big move, either upward or downward, and the decision is gonna really be made tomorrow. So my tomorrow's YouTube video, or maybe I'll live stream it, let me know down in the comments if I should stream the CPI data tomorrow, which is gonna send Bitcoin in either direction. It could potentially present a really good trade setup, and that's what I've been preparing. So this is something that we can discuss in tomorrow's video. Now, today, because again, it's really difficult to predict if it's gonna be good CPI or bad CPI, so I cannot tell you if it's gonna be, I don't have this kind of insider information. So we'll only be able to act on what's going to happen. So act on news and price action. So if it's going to go down, we'll try to find ways to short it, because if the CPI numbers are going to be bad, it's going to be really devastating, and I think we could revisit $25,000 easily. So, but if it's going to be good, then we could see some kind of short-term upside for sure, maybe to revisit 35K. So that's something we're going to talk about tomorrow. So the catalyst event is coming tomorrow for a short-term price action for Bitcoin. Now, what I really want to talk to you about is the extension of the bill, basically the extension of the video, of my video about the bill. It was like leaked crypto bill suggests US to go after DeFi, DAO, and stablecoins. So in this bill, as you know, Senator Cynthia Loomis, she's advocating for crypto and that, you know, Bitcoin, Ethereum and all, you know, is a commodity and is not a security. And but they still are saying that, you know, some of the smaller shitcoins, altcoins, blah, 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 will most likely actually be classified as securities. And here, if we're going to go lower, the bill clarifies the universe of digital tokens that would fall under SEC's jurisdiction, which would be, you know, it's got a lot to do with securities. So the ones that would, in other words, be classified as securities. The latest draft restricts the SEC's authority instead of expanding it, so that's pretty good. So they're going to give only certain authority to SEC, which is nice. However, the draft bill also puts forth recommendations for enhanced decentralized finance, so DeFi, and decentralized autonomous organizations, which is DAO, and of course the stablecoins. And they really want to see the stablecoin really be 100% collateralized by the same asset that it represents, which makes sense, to be honest. So we might see some issues with USDT. So for that reason, I still am telling you that it's better to keep most of your stablecoins in USDC, because they are proven 100% collateralized and backed by US dollar. When with USDT, there still are big questions whether it's true or that they don't have full collateralization, or they do. So just to be careful, because USDT has depegged already once. That's when I got scared shitless, but it went back to $1, so the peg was restored. But I don't want to take any risks. So now the big question is, of course, we understand, you know, the stablecoin issue, but when it comes to DeFi and DAO, first let's take a look at what is DeFi and what are the DAO coins, because I'm sure that you guys, and let me know down in the comments, that you might be one of those people who actually has some tokens in his wallet, but doesn't even know if they're DeFi, if they're DAO, or what the hell they are. So, and by the way, guys and girls, I almost forgot the most important Bybit shield. That's when we're going to be preparing for this trade. If you want to prepare and take these trades together with me, then use my link down in the description of this video or in the pinned comment and sign up with Bybit. And because if you want to be getting the same kind of entry points like I'm getting, then you need to be trading also on Bybit, because market data can be a bit different in between brokers. And with my link, which you can find in the description or in the pinned comment, you'll get up to $4,100 in free bonuses on top of your initial deposit, which you can claim in the rewards hub, and also for 30 days 0% maker fees. So let's get ready for those trades. Use my link and sign up. Will also help support the channel, and you'll get awesome bonuses. So it's a win-win. So okay, let's go back and let's take a look. So for example, DAO coins. Which are the DAO coins? Well, the biggest DAO coin currently is Uniswap, then ApeCoin. And to be honest, I got a bit nervous about this because I don't have a lot of it, but I do have some Uniswap. And I do have a tiny bit of ApeCoin as well. And I was buying into it like at $7, $8, so why not, whatever. So then also Aave, Maker, Dash, this one, Compound, OX, and actually none of these, I don't have any of these. BitDAO. So there are quite a few of them in here, obviously, but the only ones that I actually have in my portfolios is the Uniswap and ApeCoin. And these are actually still quite strong altcoins if you're gonna ask me. But at the same time, you know, they can come under strict scrutiny from SEC if they're gonna be classified as securities, and they probably will be. But we're going to discuss the implications and how worried you should be in just 1 second. So let's quickly take a look at DeFi. And DeFi is going to be, for example, DAI and Chainlink. The Chainlink, I have quite a bit of Chainlink myself. And let's just take a look quickly here at 100 DeFi coins. So Chainlink, Uniswap is in here as well. Then what else? Maker, PancakeSwap is in here as well. Terra Luna Classic. Loopring is in here. Loopring is actually quite cool, but I don't have any Loopring. Then, so yeah, Compound again. So these are all the DeFi, so to speak, tokens, and there's quite a bit of them in there. And to be honest, now the big question is if you hold any of these, and you know these DeFi tokens are gonna actually come under scrutiny of SEC and gonna start being banned, blah blah blah. Should you really be worried? And the thing is that number one, you really have to monitor the situation and what's going to happen. But what I can tell you is that number one, I'm not going to be selling Chainlink just because it could be classified as a stablecoin, because as a security. Because remember that when there's going to be regulation, it's not necessarily that it's going to just all be banned. So there's going to be a lot of paperwork, there's going to be a lot of bullshit, there's going to be a lot of pain for all these companies that are actually real, that have teams, that have budgets, that have millions of dollars or even billions of dollars. You know, it's going to just be quite a pain in the ass for them, and it's going to limit them in a certain way, certainly. However, I would not ever in eternity say that this is going to be putting an end to DAO or to DeFi or to the cryptocurrency market in general. I think on the other hand, this could bring some short-term volatility, and some of these tokens, and I have to make this explicitly clear, that some of these tokens will die because they will fail to comply. There will be a lot of fines, and they're not going to be able to, you know, sustain those fines, whatever, and this is going to die. So for sure, that's going to happen. But with the biggest ones, like for example, Chainlink or Uniswap, I'm pretty sure that they're going to find a way to, you know, comply, to register, and to follow certain guidelines, and with potential issues in the process, yes. But and once they come out on top, on the other side of regulation, guess what's going to happen to the price? Because a lot of other ones going to be actually diminished, and a lot of, you know, because we currently have like 20,000 coins out there, and it's about time we clean this shit up. So, and I'm pretty sure that the big ones, strong ones with big real teams behind them, are actually gonna come out on top, and a lot of the capital is gonna flow to these because they're much stronger and they are forward looking, and they can actually deal with a certain level of regulation. So that's actually gonna propel them to all-time highs at some point. My personal opinion is gonna be actually very good. So regulation for certain big projects is gonna be actually very good. So it's not something to be very scared about. So again, I have some of these coins myself, and the Uniswap ApeCoin when it comes to DAO coins. So I wouldn't really be worried that very much. And also the last thing I can mention in this video is that this regulation is going to be coming within the next, well, 12 months, 24 months. So it's going to take some time. So it's going to be really this whole process. But still, I'm a firm believer that right now at these prices that we're currently seeing, like Chainlink, for example, I absolutely love Chainlink. I have a lot of it. And we had some small upside currently in Chainlink. But if we're going to take a look at the price itself, 90% down. Currently we're trading at 83% down, but we were down like 90%. And as we were going, I was buying, and I hope that you were too. And over on Bybit, you can also buy the spot market, and you can also claim the bonus, use that for your own trading. And if you want to be putting together a long-term altcoin portfolio, then you can do that on Bybit as well. But I would certainly recommend using Ledger as a cold wallet to store it in a safe place so it's not connected to internet, so nothing can happen to your coins and they cannot be stolen. And there is a link to Ledger down in the description of this video as well. And peace and love, Thomas Krallo. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned tomorrow for the CPI report, and let's make some money tomorrow. So peace and love, Thomas Krallo. Stay smart, stay rich. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.